Ngiqale ngokubingelela ababukeli emakhaya. Igama nguPhesi. Ngibuya khona lana eKuruleni. Ngizoshare isitori sami esibuhlungu sokungenelwa house robbery endlini la ngihlala khona because into ebuhlungu kakhulu ezokushiya ulimele kakhulu emqondweni, umndeni, abantwana. And I'm hoping ukuthi singafunda sonke from ku-story sami esesangenzakalela. It was a normal Monday nje, kuyi-Monday nje. Angisakhumbuli ilanga lakhona ngiliqale kanjani, but nje yonke into ihambe nje as usual, nothing much, nothing less. Into engikhumbulayo nje ukuthi kwakushisa on that day, kushisa emini, kushisa ntambama. As a result, makwenzakala yonke lento eyenzakele, sasivule umnyango endlini, sizihlalele nje. Shuthi sicale sadla nje i-dinner, last dish, sisonke sinomndeni siphelele endlini. Shuthi I think I was the last one to come in endlini, ngakhiya amagate, 100% sure bengikhiyile amagate vele. Sisendlini siyadla, done. Yimi loyo masengicedile ukudla sengicabanga ukuthi kuyashisa manje. Ngikhumula izinto ebengizigqokile, ngizisalele nje nge-short. Ngikwami mani ngizirelaxele, zisalele nge-short. I think ngizifakile amaphathaphatha nje. On top bengingafakanga next, bengingafakanga even ne-vest the way bokushisa ngakhona. Umnyango wase-sitting room bovulekile nje, not kakhulu, but because it's a glass door, see through vele kuyabonakala inside and kulayitile vele. I think that's when they took advantage vele labantu abebangena. Shuthi before kuzoyenzakala yimi loya ngizihlalele sengicedile ukudla ngithi man, there's this thing engangiyithengile kudala, ngithengile i-shoe rack. Shoe rack lebo kumele ngiyi-assemble, yabona, kumele ngihlanganise, isebhokisini nje ine-manual, so ama-piece nje. Yimi loya ngithi awuthi ngenze lento kunini lokhu ikhona ngingayihlanganisa. Ngiyayihlanganisa vele, busy ngibheke ne-manual yakhona. Ngihlanganise nje until isikhathi siloko siyahamba, sengiloko ngiza nayo. And then me telling myself ukuthi yazini, ithi ngicede ngalento and then ngizokhiya and then siyolala, because ngikhumbula kahle imali yami belokhu irasela abantwana ithi kumele nolala, u-9 sakashayile kumele nolala. So it was after 9 nje, busy ngayo vele le shoe rack. Ngithi mangiceda ngayo nje siyahamba siyolala, yabona. Yenzakale-ke ukuthi before nje ngiceda nje, not knowing ukuthi man, ngihleli kanjena ngilinde imigulukudu. Bengilindele abantu. Ngibone ngabo dogs abangena nje. Shuthi before ngibabona, mina ngifocuse kulento engiyenzayo because bengihleli esofeni. Ngihleli esofeni vele ngiya-assemble. Ngizwe ngemali yami nje ithi Phesi. Mangithi ngiphakamisa inhloko. Mfana. Izidlamlilo mfana ziyangena. Boyi-3 labantu bangena bapointe mina ngamagani nje. Pointe ngamagani. Shuthi ngiyengasukuma, ngikhumbula kahle ngiyengasukuma, but i-reaction yami ngikhumbula ukuthi ngithini. Sengizwa ngemali yami after ukuthi ngiyengathi bafethu, yabona. Into engikhumbula nje kulabantu mabengena, shuthi mangisukumile kanjalo bangikhomba ngamagani, bahlala phansi. Bangibusela emuva ezingihleli. Shuthi baza kimi vele. Ngabethi hlala phansi, bangikhombe boyi-3 and bonke baza towards me. Shoot that time into eyangifikela nje ukuthi abantu badubula la. Ngithi nayi yanginetha imvula-ke ama-bullet. Uthi for ini angazi. And knowing very well ukuthi ngikhiyile, igate likhiyiwe. But manje bangene kanjani? Fana. As helpless ungazi wenzeni. One thing you can think of, ukuthandaza mfana. Ngikhumbula nje angizange bengikhulumela phansi ngithi in the name of Jesus, in the name of Jesus. Yonke into nje angizwa nokuthi bathini abantu, ngithi nje in the name of Jesus, because all I was thinking ukuthi abantu bayadubula. Mabethi hlala phansi, ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi basafuna ukucoca. Ngithi okay, ngihlale phansi vele. Hlala kwami phansi kanjalo. Khona wathi uba nomunye khona la endlini. I think that's when ngiyangastop ukuthandaza because manje bese bakhuluma nami bathi
Eh.
uba nomunye okhona la endlini shuthi lapho ngihleli yimi imidi yami abantu abafana bami abayithu unjabulo ngithi ayi akunamuntu omunye okhona yithi sodwa yabona bathi kimi okay mamela lana ke siphi isibhamu sakho ngithi bathi sihlala phi isibhamu sakho ngithi anginasibhamu okay shuthi mangithi anginasibhamu kanjalo omunye ngathi ubhizi ungene emakamereni ungene 3 yalabantu omunye ungene emakamereni angazi uyabheka ukuthi
bayageza ngendaba
yesibhamu ngicabanga kanjalo omunye uyangena check emakamereni ayi phinda abuye and then ba-switch off ama-light bathi singarasi bacime ama-light bathi whatever bangibuza wona ngikhulumele phansi ngithi okay sharp bathi mamela endoda sithumela kuwe bathi sizokubulala ngithi bathi sizoqeda ngawe bathi bheka mamela ungathuki siyakubona uyi-family man unabantwana unemeli so into esizoyenza angeke sikubulale ngeke siyenze lento thina siyamfonela manje lo muntu lo wena thula manje siyamfonela lo muntu thina simtshela ukuthi awukho
serious
angivele ngithi sharp hayi vele nje akhipha ibhopopo lefoni nje sikhuluma ngazo uyafona kwamampela or uya-actor hayi lo muntu asimtholi manje lo muntu akekho sitholi umfazi nabantwana hayi sokufonela uyangathi uyadropa vele sharp okay ayi bese-ke makaceda-ke indoda mamela-ke thina-ke kuzomele usinikeze imali ngoba phela manje ngeke size siluze imali ngendaba yakho okay ngimcele ngithi ngicela ukukhuluma athi sure ngithi mamela mfethu okay ngizocooperator ngako konke engakhona ngabo ne ayikho into e-wrong engizoyenza ngizomamela nina ukuthi nithini neje ngicela ifavor nje ngicela ezinisho nithi angeke ningilimaze ngicela nje at least-ke nizame ukufihla amagani noma ningafaka amagani efigeni yabona just nje ukuthi ningashili abantwana abalimele yabona and anything i-mistake ingayenzakala lokho ningiphointe ngamagani kanje if nithi anifuni ukungilimaza athi usure angeke wenze next ngithi sure angeke ngenze next okay right ayi kube ngathi baba ne-short meeting yana nje bayithula hayi bese umunye yeza athi okay mamela la into esizoyenza wena sizokufasa yabona athi sizokufasa ngithi okay no problem remember ngizifakele nje i-short ngifaka amaphacaphaca ngifakanga next angazi umunye walanda ipha amateki wami ngibone nje sakakhipha amashulesi kumateki wami khipha amashulesi amateki lawo namhlanje angifuna ukuwabona wangidina ngakhona akhipha amashulesi ngifasa izandla ngifasa iy'nyawo okay sharp uma icede ngifasa bengihleli kanje esofeni abangihlalise phansi ngifise this direction ngathi ngifise emakamereni ngathi bathatha imili yami nayo bamhlalise phansi but yena zange bamfase ngifeyisele yena ufeyisele shaya ikapa basishayisa ikapa la bantu sigqokisa ijezi le-Chiefs yabona okay sharp amagani-ke bangirespecta-ke amagani vele-ke hhayi bawafaka emafigeni-ke bathi okay-ke into esizoyenza manje ndoda wena uzomele usinikeze imali-ke bona sesiluze imali manje kuzomele usinikeze imali ngithi njengoba ngishilo mfethu ngizoninikeza enginakho yabona athi unemalini ngithi I think la eloneni lapha ekamereni maybe nginabo 500 and something but ungazodlala ndoda sifuna imali yabona ngithi angaze angikho sure ukuthi i-accountini nginemalini yabona bathi apha amafoni ifoni yami belapha etafuleni thatha ifoni yami ngithi ile ngimkhombe ngithi ile ifoni yami imali yami angazoreya banikeza but nje bese baphethe amafoni wethu nini banginikeza ifoni bathi iphe ifoni yakho kula mafoni abawaphethe bathi iphe yakho ngiyababonisa le yami banginikeze ngivule banikeze imali yami hayi ngavula amafoni then bafuna ama-app bathi singene kuma-app then ngivule the main account beyinelona beyinemali boku-F_N_B bavulele i-app vele bayibone la benginabo close to 6,000 yabona ngithi bro wami njengoba ngishilo ngizoninikeza enginakho angeke ngikhona ukunikeza into enginganayo yabona bathi imali onayo le ngithi imali enginayo babuza imali umama unemalini umama hayi mate ithi mina ngathi nginabo 400 uyazazi imali nge-mid month vele athi mina nginabo 400 ngathi bakhohlwe kuyo babone kahle ujayiva kancane baze kimi-ke hayi athi lo muntu hayi indoda into esizoyenza siyohamba manje siyolona siyohamba siyo-withdraw le mali lena yabona si-withdraw le mali lena and siyithole yabona ngithi hayi ningayini-withdraw ithi ithi nami vele ngifuna ukubabona abahambile nje ithi ngikhuphulele ne-daily limit because into ezonishaya lapho i-daily limit yabona manje sengithatha ifoni uyanginikeza ifoni ngikhuphule i-daily limit vele I think ngiyenze 6,000 vele ngenzelani ukuthi bayithole yonke vele le mali yabona nakhona futhi ngifuna nje vele hoping ukuthi vele bathatha lelona le card ba-withdraw abahambi ngithi eyi nani manifika la sekuyimanje sengiyabathi mina manifika la ningafuni ukuyikhipha yonke as ningayikhiphi yonke ngesikhathi esi-1 because izonibhayizisa at least khipha nama-3,000 yabona nizoyithola kanjalo ngoba maniyikhipha yonke nizobhayiseka bese kuba ngathi ngintshela mama yabona athi hhayi no problem athi khona bazohamba thina siyasala yo ngidine kanjani athi thina siyasala la yabona ngithi okay sharp ngathi nje babe beyi-3 kanje phakathi kusho ukuthi bokunoyi-1 ngaphandle the way bengizwa ngakhona because lo munye bakaloku aphuma aphinde angena yabona and then nayi-ke inkinga basabathi bafuna ikhadi yo ngithi baba ikhadi yo ngiyakhumbula ikhadi lisekarini ngaphandle ikari zethu zipaka ngaphandle kusho ukuthi azipaki phakathi egaraji zipaka ngaphandle just after the garage door ayimloya sengenzani ngiyakhumbula manje ukuthi ikhadi lisekarini and manje sengibonani manje yo fana sengibanika nemoto manje bebengakhulumanga next ngemoto sengiyabatshela ikhadi lisekarini yabona ikhadi lisekarini okay isiphi isikhiye semoto anasikhiye semoto lapha ekhishini bahambe balanda isikhiye semoto sengibonala thima kade lona iyaphuma ngithi singenzelani ukuthi angasacheck nezinye izinto ekarini ngithi lapho mawufika ekarini mawuvula nje lapho phambili la ngasegereni mawuphakamisa uzothola amakhadi lapho ikhadi ngenzela nje ukuthi vele afocus nje lapho abuye and for sure ayenze kanjalo ngoba azange athathe nesikhathi man abuye sakabuya nje fast sakathi siphi isikhiye segate lapho enginothise khona ukuthi hayi vele kusho ukuthi sijampile lezi nja lezi yabona but siphi isikhiye segate ngithi asilapha la kitchen lapho enithole khona semoto ngalone balanda isikhiye segate balanda isikhiye sendlu vele bathi ngibabonise segate babonise segate baphume kusho ukuthi kuphuma loyi-1 ngisala nethula so I'm assuming ukuthi kusho ukuthi bokunoyi-1 ekarini vele bahamba ke ba-withdraw ke
so total 4
kusho ukuthi 4 kahle kahle le ngibona ngakhona mara mina ngibone 3 yabona nje basisele nalethu le yenzani lethu njengoba sekulethu kuphela sengiba nesibindi sokubabuza bafethu nithenini abanithumile bathi nizongibulala manje ngifuna ukwazi ubani onithumile ayithi nithi angeke niyenze lento ubani onithumile because kumele ngazi ukuthi ubani oyisitha sami yabona athi lo hayi yazini sibone manje ukuthi angathi singene endlini e-wrong yabona hawu ngene endlini e-wrong sengiyabona nje ukuthi hayi imfene yonke lento engitshela yona kahle kahle nje ayikho nje yabona ngoba i-strategy sokuthi vele ngithuke ngikhiphe imali anyway sibayenza into yabo baqede bahambe ngifuna ukubabona bahambile nje labantu labo yo ngapha ngisacabanga nokuthi basawu-withdraw kuphi labantu laba hayi okay sharp ngithi athi kimi hayi umuntu o-wrong lo esingene kuye kahle kahle bengamelanga asize la ngithi okay manje since kumuntu o-wrong ubani ke lo kumele niye kuye yabona hayi lo munye ngathi agcina nyanya yendoda nawe umuntu lokubuza kaningi asobuza into eziningi uzosinyanyisa manje yabona okay sharp ngithule yabona wenzani ke manje nawo-ke manje sebeyacala ke manje sabafuna ukusebenza kahle kahle and mina ngikho awe mina ngisho ukuthi nje after imali then iyashaya sabathi manje basi-separate thatha imali bayisukumise and then bathatha abantwana incosi zami bezihleli next to thina lana vele because thina yenzakala ngazi incosi yami suyile vele sazohlala la
so njengoba bakhuluma yonke into lena abantwana
bakhona yonke into yenzakala la and leyo yami eyi-1 indalanyana ina-9 years nale encane leke yiyo ephenikhayo yakhala plus ke sinobunyana ke shuthi yonke into yenzakala ngibhizi lokho ngizama ukuyi-calma down yonke into ngiloko ngiyayihlebela calm down ngingawari kuzoba right yabona and because every now and then bakaloku angibuza are they going to shoot now yo ngithi mfana angeke they're not gonna shoot they are just criminals they want money and khona lapho le bengizwa ngikhuluma ithi hey uthini ngithi ngicalma down incosi yami yabona yabona amtshela straight they are just criminals they just want money yabona yathamba nyana yabona Okay, sharp.
Awasabi nokuthi maybe uzoba pissa off or maybe uyasense
No,
ukuthi
angirasi.
yeah.
Angirasi ngoba
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
ngikhulumela phansi.
Okay,
Ngikhulumela phansi
yeah.
yabona. Angithi nabo babhiza ama-movement nyana
Yeah,
nje yabona.
yeah.
Ngithola leyo chance yokukhulumela phansi naye yabona. Yeah, and then sebathatha i-media yami, bathatha abantwana babayise ekamereni, baba-escort bathi baye ekamereni. Ikamera lakhona, remember ngihleli ngifeyisekile le kamera le.
Yeah.
Okay, bangena lena. Ngiyazibuza what's next manje. Ngithi maybe nami bazothi ngilandele. Hayi. Nabo amaceda ngathi badonsa umnyango wala. And manje lo munye khona bakangena ekamereni. Yabona lapho iyangisha kakhulu. Bangena ekamereni uphuma sakaphethe umcamelo. And ngapha bathatha imidi nabantwana bafaka ekamereni. And manje angisa-understand kuyenzakalayo yabona. Uthatha umcamelo ngabo kuyithuma nje. So uphethe umcamelo lo uyazula ngiyabona. Engqondweni yami sekuthini manje? Labantu labo rivele njengoba bathe bawathumile kusho ukuthi maybe ufuna nje ukuthi igane ingarasi, ufuna ukungishaya inhloko. Yabona, iyo nje into eseringa engqondweni yami manje. Ngiyaphenika manje mfana. Yo, mfana.
Basabophile.
Izandla nenyawo ziboshiwe bro wami ngihleli phansi ne. Aze ngathini? La ngazi nami nje fast nje ngathi endoda ngicela yena lo baka-negotiate kakhulu. Ngicela ukusukuma mani ngiye kule ntwana lena ngiyohlala nayo ngibe seduze kwa le ntwana inesifo sokufeyinta kahle. Yeah, manje nje bilokhu iphenika kanje ingafeyinta nokufeyinta yabona. So ngicela ukuyohlala nayo. Nami sengizama nje ukuthi angi-avoida le separation le abasebayenza because angi-understand ukuthi nalo munye ophethe umcamelo angazi ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani ngomcamelo. Yabona. Le ngimamele yenzeni siyangidonsa, remember bangifasila ngikhona ukuphakama. Siyangidonsa yangincedisa ngiyasukuma ngiye ekamereni. Sifike vele sisihlala embhedeni oyi-1 wale incosi lezi. Asihlale sonke lapha. Ngithi hu kancane yabona. Okay, abayenzayo remember bebelo bacima balayita nje amalight mabefuna something balayita nyana bacime. Then nalapha ekamereni nini sebeyacima. I think it's because i-garden lakhona li transparent lace. So maybe bengafunga ukuthi abomakhelwane ba notice anything. Bacimile yabona. If bafuna something balayita nyana baphinde bacime. Okay, sharp. Yabona, sengenzani manje? Lo munye ungapha sekamereni. Lo munye umela iminyango, lo munye vele ubusiness ndiya sakhe asazi kenzakalani. Jikijikisa kadonsa umnyango manje uyawuvala. Uyasho ukuthi ngingayenzi next ebhedayo, otherwise ngizolimala. Ngithi sharp. Manje sesizwa ngama-sound. Nama-sound manje acalela ngathi hayi. TV, ngizwile isound ye-TV imounthelwe lapha ebondeni i-TV. Ngizwe sound ngiyazwa ukuthi ayikhipha ke manje. Agqubhubhu amalona. Yini i-sound system yami boma-amplifier. Ngiyazizwa nje ngizwa ngesound ukuthi akuyenzakalani ngenzani. Makaba sekamereni ngiyezwa ukuthi usekamereni manje. Yabona. Asho. Ngiyezwa ukuthi kusho ukuthi manje sabathatha nezinto bengayi-expectanga le nto le. Na ngibathatha. Anene ngizwe imedi yami ithi yo bakhipha i-microwave. Aze bakhipha i-microwave. Kusho nomunye uzwe zakhe kahle. Bathi bathatha i-microwave. Ite nezami bazithathile. Yabona. Azihlube la mouth. Bahlube mfana. Bahlube. And then abuye lona kusho ukuthi lokhu uyasivakashela vele uyangena. Athi kimi amafoni sizowashiya lapha ekamereni leni. Ngithi no problem. Asiwashiya ekamereni. Angazi wayangitshela lokho mara athi nje amafoni sizowashiya ekamereni. Angishiya phinda abuye futhi. Amafoni sizowashiya ekamereni angeke sambe nawo. Okay. Ngizwile leyo mara niwezi usithulela. Ayenzeni sinene athi ufuna ngivule amafoni. Athi ngivule ifoni yabona. Ifoni yami ngivula nge-thumbprint yabo. Should be seyicimile from that ma transaction yabo. Ngivula nge-thumbprint ngimvulele yona. Nge-thumbprint athi i-password ithini. Ngithi yo bro i-password angiyazi ngigcine kudala kabi mina nje into engisebenzisayo i-thumbprint nje. Athi endoda ngafuna uzozenza uclever ufuna ukulimala manje. Ngithi endoda angikhumbuli i-password donsa igane. Yo ngithi letha. Yo mfana anavela ngikhumbula bengamshayi. Imloyo mfana mangithi yazi at least masobona amanamba ngathi imcondo nyana ubuye. Ngathi ngifake ucala yabhayiziseka ubusithuka ishivuma vele yabona. Yangumnikeza athi uyabona uzozenza uclever ngithi indoda bengasayikhumbula
because ngithi fingerprint or face recognition
buyisela igane athi kimi ithini ilona ngathi manje ufuna ukuyisave la kulo popopo wakhe ithini le password yo ndoda kumele ngikhumbule ngikhohliwe vye ngithi letha futhi ifone ngikhumbule sengiyambizela yona nayo yayisave la kulo popopo wakhe lo ashapu
mara uzoshiya ifoni
uzoshiya ifoni namanje angi-understand nemeli yami naye bamfune same thing ama-password abanikeze sharp okay right izinto ziloko ziyalona anini yezwa ukuthi sababuyile laba ngathi sababuyile vele no before ngathi uyafona lo mabe withdraw la uyafona uconfirm ukuthi imali bayithola vele bathi sharp nini ngiyezwa sababuyile vele ayizenzakala izinto yabo badonsa ekamereni yezwa nje ekamereni lesu yaphakanyiswa nje kenziwani okay sharp ngiyabona vele laba screen yabona ngazibuza maybe lapha khona mhlambe bahamba nge-truck ngoba ngikubhizi fana okay and then le ngiyangitshela ke yona le negotiator khona ithi indoda mamela la into esizoyenza manje ne asifune emsindo ningasinikeza inkinga ne thina sizolona manje sothi masihamba la nina ningaphumi nihlale nje boma 15 minutes la ninganyakaza sifune nisiphazamise nasiphazamisa siyajika thina siyadubula wonke umuntu la ngasiphazamise sizophuma yabona and yazi ngevoice nje uyezwa noma bakhuluma labantu laba bakhuluma isiZulu but isiZulu sakhona uyezwa manje aboma Africa la sinobo Africa lesizulu lesiyabona sharp ngithi no problem senza kanjalo ngathi masifaya nje la ningalinge nisiphazamise ngithi sure ngiyabona ukuthi sabazoceda shothi nini vele kuloku kuvuleka umnyango uyavaleka kuvuleka umnyango shothi ba transporta lezi zinto bazisemotweni vele yabona sihleli kanjalo sihleli hayi nini ngize sokuthulekile nje masekuthulekile ngathi nesound yekari ngizwile vele mayihamba yabona angasiyume nami kudala abasebahambile ayimlwa vele sengiyazichacha mangizichacha vele mangivula umnyango ngiyabona angiboni umuntu first thing nje mangiphuma nje ngithi ngiyabona sebahambile ngibuye ngitshela imeli abahambile ithi ngijump fast ngiyolanda umakhelwane wami ngapha ngitshele kenzakalayo ayi sengijumpa amabonde cabanga
Isikhathi bo ma what time
endoda labantu laba shuthi
angithi maybe iqale ngaboma 9 around so
no lento le iqale ngaboma 2:10 mara bona bayispendile close to an hour baloko banathi yabona
so yakumakhelwane
ngiyakumakhelwane sengijumpela kumakhelwane manje ngiyomvusa yabona and ukhumbule ngijumpela ejardini lenye indoda nalo lazi likhile and ngapha ngiyolikokotela ewindweni shina nami ngikokota ndoda nami nje vele nje inqondo yami ayisacabanga straight nje singakokota tero yabona nami phinde ngikhumbule ukuthi yazi ukokotela enye indoda kanje ewindweni naye wazi ukhile angavela avulele ngenye into yabona nami sengiya side step ngiyakokota tero yimi umphesi indoda yawenza nawe sabangenele labantu laba I think ngizwe imeli yakhe vele naye yamvusa ngithi ndoda bangenele woza ngijumpile lana ngithi ngiyabuyela futhi phakathi woza izana amafoni lapho ngifuna ngifonela amaphoyisa singiyajumpa fast phela ngibashiye bodwa labantu labo mele ngijumpe ngibuyele emuva yabona sesiyalinda ke la hayi nabo bashaye fast vele beze baze nemeli yakhe baze namafoni sesiyaqala ke safona first thing esiyenzile sifonela amaphoyisa imeli yami I think ayithatha ifoni yemeli ka-Tero ifonele amalona ufonela ama-parents wakhe abatshela la ukuthi kenzakalani yabona thema bafonela ngizwe sakathi nje nabo bathi basendleleni nabo baba bayeza yabona apparently kushuthi bathe mabefonela mabafonela ngathi nabo mabephuma from eFosu baza la kithi bashaya imoto ngathi bahlangane namaphoyisa nabo endleleni lawo flying squad babatshela bathi abantwana bethu babangenele endlini so babanikeze address ngoba within few minutes nje ngibone nje sokubrika lezi ze flying squad nami ngithi mina yiyo lamaphoyisa because bengisayenza icase efonini mara naba sebeyabrika lana vele basho batama sihlangane nabazali beni bayeza bathi ningenelwe nasi ngiyabatshela nabo hayi kenzakale kanje nakanje yabona azame na ushaya imoto ze round athi azibone next zibuye and then zinginikeze amafoni ukuthi at least sithathe sivala amakhadi since bahambe namakhadi wethu nani yabona sesiyafona ke ukuthi sivalise amakhadi lawo
amafoni ahambile
amafoni lamafoni basebazowashiye lona nikuphi la buku strategy nje yazi lezi zokutshela imfene lezi zokutshela into ofuna ukuyizwa nje yabona wesiphathi bathathe even ne-iPad intwana yami bayibona lokhu yakhala phambi kwabo ende phela bayithola idlala nge-iPad thathiwe kuloku nje fana lezi asinazwelo bro wami asinazwelo lezi masifikile zifikile thathe kwasana napha ekamereni next ngiphakamisa nemile wona ama-Duvet angiboni next ngabona ayikho vele lento babonakale ngokufuna ama-password nje ukuthi vele bafuna ukuhamba nala mafoni lawo cash up like lamakhate we-flying squad lawa fana ancede just afonele asikhaphe futhi nakule case le afonele eDon Park ukuthi hey uzani nikuphi kanti and vele bafike labantu laba sivalile namafoni amakhadi ngamafoni sesiwavalile sharp yabona basifonisa okay and then zithi nami sengifonela wonke umuntu nami sengiyabafonela ejardini intwana zami ziyeza amajita lamanamba nje ngikhona nje ukwa-accessa nje ngikhona ukuthi ngibafonele basondele kobe leso siphithiphithi I think ise last until boma 2 AM yabona since nje kubhizi nje fana yabona but-ke sesibonga nje lokho ukuthi akekho olimele thathile lo bakuthathile akunankinga then-ke silale nyana sovuka ekuseni sikhona ukuthi siye emabhenki siyolona siyovulisa amakhadi simake sure ukuthi futhi bavalile amakhadi njengami mina ngiyazisebenza yazi every now and then imali iyangena nemali ngisafuna ukuthi ingenele ngifuna make sure ukuthi bavalile ingasangenele ezandleni ezirong yabona sharp emabhenki vele-ke siyovula amakhadi yabona bafuna ukwazi nabe reason okay yini why uvala ikhadi ikhadi silivalile due to this and that yabona okay sharp ngivulisa ikhadi sihambe siyenza ama-sim swap for amafoni yabona sinamafoni ngasikhathi just ukuthi ube ne-sim card and then ukuthi mawuhlanganisa ifoni ukhona ukulona ukuthi abantu bakuthole yabona kube lezo zinto esizenzayo yabona kwaba into enje yenzakele kanjalo but-ke into eyanginceda engeke ngikhohlwe kakhulu ukuthi ilona ezinye ngaya kule bhenke angeke ngisabe nokusho i-FNB engathi mangibatshela vele ukuthi bangingenele sona nani okay mina bengithi ngiyaba-understandisa nje ukuthi why ngivala ikhadi why ngifuna ukuvula elinye futhi sharp ngigcine lapho yabona nini bona boma after 2 days bangifonela siya-understanda uyawafika ebranchini uyavala ikhadi wafika wazovula kuyenzakaleni ngiyabatshela bengingenelwe nani yabona kwaso okay i-out futhi le bengifonela lawuthi le Hashem yazi the way beyinice ngakhona man sorry man ifuna ukwazi ukuthi kuyenza abekho abantu abalimele ngithi no akekho umuntu oyalimala ethi sorry ngaloko man but-ke sobona nathi sibhenki ukuthi singayenzani yabona futhi ngithi uyakhuluma nje kuphela 1 2 3 maybe 2 days nyana futhi nawu sengithola imessage no uyowathile iyathi la uthi cela ngiba-emailele i-statement sase-police station ne-case number okay sharp i-case number benginayo and then ngafonela lo khata baka-PT case bangifuna i-statement wangi-emailela sona nami ngabaforwardela sharp okay 2 days 3 days down the line now sengithole i-SMS from FNB man since kuyenzakale kanje nakanje your claim has been approved angazi nokuthi ngiclaime ini yabona your claim has been approved you'll get your refund bana tshela yami nayo i-FNB ithini sobona khona ngithi bakhuluma kuphela ende vele nayo imali yangena vele bangireplace yini yobe bangithathele yona at least ngabhodlanyana khumbula that time vele nje bakuyenzakale kanje bese ngibhizi nami sengibeef up i-security sengizama ukuthi yabona lapho ngibona khona ukuthi kube loophole vele ngizama ukuvalanyana yabona but nje eyifana
ukusho bene-insurance maybe leyo card or angithi kunama-package vele
ngeke ngokutshele bro thina masivula amakhadi sifuna imali engenayo nephumayo nje that's it ukuthi yini yenzani but-ke ayangishanga phakathi nje angeke ngikhuluma yabona kwaba ile nto leyo bro wami but nje nami mase ngiyibheka-ke sengiyi-one ukuthi siyalahla nathi sabantu yabona siyalahla sabantu yes mase zenzakala izimo ungasola wonke umuntu okwafika kwakho nani yabona but nje mina the way ngiyibona ngakhona mase ngicheck nje ngami yabona ngesingami nje mase ngichecka ngichayiswe isitimela nje besindlula ngendlela yabona because if you can check from lapha kimi ngise next door nelona i-next door neighbor yami ifisane ne-T-junction leyo T-junction stop sign mina le ndlu lesi next door yami iface stop sign mina ngise next door yayo I think they could see from a stop sign bahamba ngemoto ukuthi kuvuliwe lapha yabona and abokusebusuku yabona so bayithola lapha i-advantage ukuthi hayi bajumpa bangena bazosingenela yabona ya manje ngisadlala kanjalo sokuhlezi kukhiwe le emini ebusuku hlezi ukhile you understand neyincosi zibuye esikolweni first thing nje zokukhumbuza did you lock the gate yabona into ezinjalo so nje yayibona nje fana ukuthi sokuyenye impilo nje lena sokumele sihlale isikhile cabanga lapho kumele ngabe uba safe khona kwakho ilapho uzophenduka khona ivictim yabona inkinga zikutholi estradeni zikulanda la kwakho yabona so nje yabo lezi zinto lezi mfana zikubuildela nje inhliziyo embi nje zikubuildela inhliziyo embi ya noma ungazange wakwaba nengqondo yokukhawatha umuntu nani but nje uzithola sowunayo ngezinto abantu abakhona ukuzenza bazenze nabo abantwana bakhala bakwazi ukumthathela iPad bayithathe aloko akhala kanjalo bambona umntwana uyashika lo mntana lo angafa nokufa ngibatshele nokuthi uyafeinta lo mntana abazingeni leso ezilonge nje bona bathole lento abayifunayo yabona ya even worse bathatha nane school bag sencusi yena umntwana bathatha school bag sakhe shothi befuna nje ukufaka izinto abazifakayo bachitha incwadi bazilahlela phansi nale party yephilo ngi-understand after mase behambile ukuthi le philo lena bakhiphe ama-pillowcase kushuthi befuna ukufaka lezi zinto ezilusi lezi khipha ama-pillowcase wethu vele asekamera bafaka balahlela zonke izinto abazifunayo vele bangihlubile bangishaya ney'mpahla athathe impahla futhi lenye le ebebhizi emakamereni ngathi ilingana nami vele ngiyabona leya mhlambe beyilinganisa nokulinganisa lapha ayifitha impahla amateki yabona
singene kuma Q&A even though bese ngiqalile ngama questions here my first part where I'm actually curious ne as men sinama role that we play for ama family wethu
sure
ne
yeah
I'm curious to find out firstly in terms of and if it's sensitive uzasho ukuthi no this one is too sensitive asingakhuluma ngayo ne
sure
ngilungise this camera my first question would be ever since this thing happened and as the head of the house the protector
sure
have you sensed ukuthi i-relationship yakho noma and your woman and your wife or your woman ikhona something enzakele maybe in terms of the work beyanga khona I'm very curious because izayenzeka lezi zinto lezi where you find ukuthi angithi the woman looks at you as a protector
sure.
and as much as we provide I'm curious to know ukuthi has there been a different treatment maybe in the mind yakhe treatment kuwe and like I said if you sensitive singayiskipha leyo part leyo ngokubona kwakho
no
remember it's not about necessarily your story specifically I think it happens to a lot of other men
sure.
I'm curious to know ukuthi i-relationship ama dynamics abanjani after lapho
no it's not sensitive at all that's a valid question actually yazi i-medium ne I think mina ngingaba ngathi nami vele masengidlala yonke le scene le ngengqondo ukuthi yini ebengayenza kangcono fortunately uye ohlezi angikhuthaza athi yo yazi mfana you played your part lapha athi usiprotectile somndeni and khona lapha okay mina incosi yami ngizwanga but ngizwe ngaye athi incosi yami lena 9 years old ethi there is such a good negotiator so yona lento le ngishanga phakathi ukuthi at least though I was so helpless mfethu but bona babonile ukuthi ngibaprotectile because uba uclever uzoba uclever uthini mfethu nazidla umlilo nodaba bakhombe ngamagani bayitrail abantu lapho uzoyenzana anything ozoyenza ubutshupito buzofaka ifamily engozini nani yabona then futhi sabalona bakuthotshara labantu benza zonke lezi zinto ezisinaks yabona or sebaze bayenza even beyond yabona gcine iziningi izinto ezingayenzakala yabona but bona they thinking ukuthi I've handled the situation very well and of which nami ingenza happy lento leyo because nami ngingaba nale thing ukuthi mhlambe ngibafailile yabona mara bengizoyenzana yabona into ezinjalo and then nami the way situation was ngibonela ukuthi labantu laba as long cooperate nabo abekho harmful yabona into ezanjalo and iyo nje into engibongayo ukuthi kuwo wonke lokho uNkulunkulu wenzile ukuthi at least labantu laba nami ngilalele yonke into abayishoyo and then nabo ngokuthi ngiyacooperate nabo bayenza nje lento abaze ngayo yabona.
Eh,
Yeah, so I don't regret anything.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because one fear of males, one thing I know, the one thing you'd never like to see ukubona ubabakho like in a compromising situation.
Helpless.
Yeah, like you look at your father as a hero and a rock of some sort.
Yeah.
So one thing you wouldn't want is a trauma of seeing like ubaba kashawa or into engathi njalo. As a kid and as a partner in terms of umuntu naye. I think it's one fear as a man. I think we wouldn't want such a thing ukuthi iyenzeke kithi.
Yeah.
And as much as I'm glad ukuthi it came out where they said ukuthi you are a good negotiator. So I think that there's a silver lining evelile lapho in terms of the situation could have been worse. It could have gone south. It could have yaba into enye nje out of your control. But I'm kind of glad ukuthi it turned out in this, even though it's a bad thing yenzakale, but it turned out in the best worst case scenario. Angazi if yenza sense leyo part leyo.
It does. Yeah, the way ihandle ngakhona not. Fana ezingishilo vele ukuthi lapha ayikho into more, ayikho less
Yeah.
that I could have done better.
You
understand? Le eyenzakele, it's a minimum of the worst thing that could have happened.
Yeah.
You understand? So fana ngizibona nje ngilucky, ngibone uNkulunkulu engisebenzela yabona. Yeah, because siyazizwa always on a situation. And enye into futhi engisha kakhulu ukuthi I think that time a month or 2 months back bengingezwa istory so sister out yami yasefoslo. But she's a police.
Yeah.
And bebeyolanda i-colleague ba on duty bawolanda i-colleague. Unfortunately mabeyolanda i-colleague and next door nalapha balanda khona i-colleague same situation happened. So mabefika bazolanda i-colleague as usual bashaya siren.
Yeah.
Whip.
Okay.
Yabona.
Okay.
Laba bakusinda thinking ukuthi nawo amaphoyisa
So
afikile for lento abazoyenza.
Yeah.
Baphuma instead of bajump amabonde babaleke bona baya kulawo maphoyisa lawo bavulele bashaya amaphoyisa lawo babathathela amagani.
Just imagine.
Babaleka usister lempinja yami lashona la. So I understand ukuthi labantu laba mfethu. Yeah, if anything can go wrong babulala.
So their age groups, mawukhumbula or mawubhekile, they were how old? Because it seems like they were a bit young in terms of maybe okay, experience ukhona, maybe atshengisa lento ama pillowcase ukuthi bane experience lento le bayenzayo. But in terms of ukushaya, I think ikhona leyo element ukuthi ngathi they sound like they were young or maybe angazi ngokubona kwakho bibana how many in terms of the age?
Ngozwa kahle bro. Leli engihlanyisa kakhulu. Badala labantu laba. Badala chomo wami. Indoda azabo baba bacinile nje abo asinana intwana ezincane. Yazi intwana ezincane ungasho ukuthi hayi isihlanyiswa nje stage or yini yabona into esanjalo zenza. Badala labantu abo baba bemizi and into engihlanyisa ukugcina ukuthi noma umntwana sakakhala kangakanani uphambi kwabo kuyenzakalani but ayikho into angeke akukhona one wathi mfana ungawari ngeke sinenze next. Yazi nje ukuthi nje calm down incosi nje ukuthi bezwe from kwebuthi no angeke sinenze next just that nje yabona babakhohlise enyana no incosi yakhala yenzani nani and labantu laba badala enough ukuthi bangaba nabantwana uyabona badala banabantwana maybe nabantwana baze babadala nokubadala but still bachubeka ukuthi nina nifila kanjani kenzakalani no akhona one nje ezobrusha incosi nyana ningawari ne ngeke size abayenzi next baza bathathe even ne school bag sakabo school bag umntana kusasiya esikolweni during the week sasa umntana esikolweni hambe ngelona yini le bag le yabo mawulwethu le phethe incwadi cabanga had ukuthi ngiyo explain esikolweni ukuthi umntana kuyenzakale kanje nakanje so ningamangali manibona an unusual behavior from kuye yabona but nje sibuya ku situation so sithe nathi singamkeep endlini at least akaye esikolweni nje kube a normal day as usual yabona bathi nabo bazomonitor nani yabona.
And then you touched kancane ukuthi it's possible ukuthi there might have been akusama South African. It's possible ukuthi maybe ngokuzwa ngesizulu sabo maybe.
Aboma-Afrika. Aboma-Afrika straight.
Yeah,
so hhayi siza la eMzansi azizwe nje vele ngalesizulu sabo. Aboma-Afrika straight mfethu.
So i-attitude yabo towards you ne-family yakho, was it an attitude of angazi like ba-professionals wenza umsebenzi or bokunokukwata or entitlement of some sort, njengoba usho ukuthi angithi ubabhekile lapho bangena baphuma emakamereni and now mntana ngapho ukhuluma isilungu naye ukhuluma yabona now uyamcomforta ngesilungu and all these things. In terms of the energy we pick up ile from bona, is it a case of was there anger towards you guys or jealousy or was it or envy or was it just nje a case ukuthi baze ngomsebenzi?
Alabantu mfethu ama-professional la. Into engiyi-pick upile nje kibo bebethukile and ukhumbule ukuthi yazi umuntu makathukile aphethe isibhamu ngagcina kuyenzakala noma yini. So I think nami cooperation yami towards bona izamile ukuba calm down, babonile ukuthi hayi lo yabona because yonke into abayifunayo bengikhona manje ngibatshela yazi noma umuntu banikeza ilona i-bank card yakho uphinde futhi ubatshela ukuthi noma ni-withdraw la ningayikhiphi yonke at once izonihlula kanjalo yenzani so babona ukuthi lo muntu lo uyacooperate, you understand. So nami ngenza ispan sabo sibe easy, bona ba-professional because azange yabona khona ukuthi omunye umuntu mhlambe if bekuyintwana ezincane I think sengibonga nalo kube bekuyintwana ezincane, the more ucooperator the more babona ukuthi ulahlile, sabadevelop amanye ama-ideas khona lapho ukuthi hayi shuthi singayenzani futhi singayenzani yabona and ngapha kunanemili ngagcina kwenzakala ezinye izinto yabona. So laba abadala bazele lento abayizele vele yabona, bazele lento abayizele though mina masengiyi-one sengihleli sengibheka nje ukuthi mara labantu laba kushuthi bayenza everyday lento le because mongacalculate zonke lezi zinto abazithathile nanani mase bayozithengisa phela, it's not like bawuzithengisa bayishop abasishop obvious bawuzithengisa isintu lezi zinto lezi yabona. Ma bezibhayisa obviously angicabangi nokuthi i-more than 30 grand they can achieve from that. No, they won't. And mangabe bayi-4 kanjalo kushuthi bathola malini each maybe less than 10,000 yabona. Kushuthi nakusasa futhi kumele bahambe futhi bawuganga futhi kumele bawuganga impilo yabo le yabona. And manje yabona ukuthi anything can happen at any time, nomuntu angafa khona lapho because should it happening acting ngenye indlela or bathuswe something or now umunye umuntu uyeza ubona ikari, mina ngumuntu nabantu ubona ikari la ngaphandle utshe ukuthi abuphesi basablomile uyangena uzithela ilona yabo sokumele babulala umuntu manje yabona. So nje at any time bangabulala umuntu labantu labo.
So bebangagcoka ama-mask
bro wami bangene bangafakanga ama-mask bathe masabadla kimi endlini, that's when omunye wakhipha imask esikhwameni wayifaka, abanye bathathe igibhe emakamereni sikhane bazivala nani but bona ngibabonile bona like let's say if ngiyababona futhi ngingasho ngithi hayi naba yibo labo sathane labo yabona ngababona bona but bagcine sebazivala ngapha babhizi ke bacima ama-light yabona into ezinjalo ukuthi ba-distract ukuthi ungababhekisisi kahle hle but bona ngababhekela ukubazi.
And if ubungahlangana nabo, if nje by some chance you come across because obviously uyakhumbula maybe ubi-one of these guys
njengoba ngingasho bro wami ukuthi yazi ezinye izinto zingakuvusela elinye isayidi obungalicabangi nawe ukuthi unalo yabona but sisingaki kakhulu la yabona sisingaki kakhulu.
You're not a forgiving person.
Not exactly ukuthi
ngizwa uJesus
just that nje yabona ngizama ukusho ukuthi lento iyakulimaza ukuthi nawe ugcina udevelopa elinye isayidi obungalazi nawe ngokwakho ukuthi am I capable of this and that yabona into ezinjalo but nje mina nje sengisigade mina ukuthi same situation ingaphindi ngenzakalele mhlawumbe ngangenzakalela ke nge-mistake or kodwa hayi nje ngokulahla yabona.
Okay. Hey, I think we went through a lot in terms of the conversation, and I think we're towards the end of the conversation. No, unless there was something we call you add. If not, ngena ku conclusion.
Singangena ku conclusion.
Okay. So a very bad thing yenzakele in your life, which I think a majority of men, this is the worst type of a situation where you would find yourself in. Kungaba i-case ukuthi maybe uzithole uma uhamba uyi-one lento yenzeke uhamba uyi-one, and like I said, I think the worst thing that you'd like is ukuthi abantwana bakho bakubone vulnerable and your partner to see you vulnerable, because you have to be a rock, you have to be that strength in their lives, yabo. So a majority of what I was really curious about in the conversation was your mental state in terms of being a man and a provider and the rock in the home. And I'm glad ukuthi ku-family nikhonile ukuthi ni balance out and see the brighter side of things, even though the worst case scenario or the best case of the worst case scenario happened. Yeah, but in terms of what happened. So from what you've learned, I'd like to get into ukuthi nje ukuthi nababukeli, the viewers, they get to learn from experience yakho of how to avoid into ekanje ukuthi yenzeke empilweni, because it can happen to anyone where siba complacent. It happens sibe complacent and you just relax and you think ukuthi yabo, but same as in your situation, it was a split second where you were there ubhizi uyalungisa, angazi bothi ubupilda ini
Ishorek.
ubuild ishorek, and
Yeah.
then the situation just changed like that and you found yourself vulnerable and in the worst type of a situation where manje you and your not only you but you and your family, you are at the mercy of strangers in your own home. Yabo. So angazi if maybe is something that you like to add in terms of advising abantu ukuthi maybe they should never go through such a thing or to avoid going through such a thing.
Yeah, bro, into engakutshela yona ne. I-crime la eMzansi into esifacane nayo kakhulu. It's a major problem and angiboni iresolveka anytime soon, because we cannot blame so much unemployment, because nathi angisebenzi bro wami, but muntu ngiyazisebenza and ukuzisebenza kwami izinto zichange every now and then.
Yes.
So le ayibengifakela imali ayisangisebenzeli, sekumele ngichange ngizame okunye, yabona. For the fact ukuthi ngikhona ukuzama kanjalo, ngikhona ukuzama ngiphinde ngizame okunye, khona omunye umuntu ongakwazi ukuyicabanga lento leyo. Khona umuntu ozitshela ukuthi hayi isibhamu sizomphilisa. You understand? So i-crime into ekhona and into engeke sesibalekele, and ugcina uzithola somele nje njalo uhlale uveld. Okay, I think if bengangenzakalelanga nginokuziblame ngithi only if bengavulanga umnyango labantu bebengeke baze bangene, yabona. Okay, bengavulanga umnyango that day, bebengangenanga that day, mhlambe nenini ngithi ngiyangena ngekari bangene nami. You understand? But ngokuthi yenzakele nami sengibheka impilo ngenye indlela, not only egate lami, not only kimi endlini, wherever lapha engihamba khona, wherever lapha engidrive khona, sengihlale ngi-expect anything, yabona, because ama-crime ayenzakala in different angles, different ways, ukuphi, yabona. As a result namhlanje ngisho ngizotestify ukuthi crime mina ngithole kwami ngihlele endlini, omunye umuntu angathi estradeni yabona kuyenzakalani, that's why mina ngasathanda ukuphuma, engilande endlini ngikhiya amagate nayi ngitholile, yabona. So mfana le ayina formula, ayina manual. Mengathi yenza lokhu ungayenzi lokhu, angizabe ngikhuluma amanga until i-government yethu izenze i-plan nge-crime esibhekana nayo on daily basis.
So you feel ukuthi it boils down to ne-government even?
Exactly bro wami.
Because it's funny, sikhule sibukela izinto zamaphoyisa, and dusting for fingerprints was a big thing. Mawucabanga amaphoyisa boyicabanga into lokuthi kuyadustiwa for ama-fingerprints, abantu babathola ngama-fingerprints. It seems like lento leyo nje is just not, or ukuthi uzosho ukuthi ama-undocumented illegal foreigners abekho ku-system, maybe angeke bawathole. I'm shocked ukuthi like izinto ezinjalo azenzakalanga lapho kwakho, azange investigation yakulamalanga kanti what is it exactly?
Ezingishilo ukuthi ama-professional abantu lawa bonke they were handcuffed.
Okay.
Bonke asitholanga even ne-fingerprint eyi-one. And engihlanyisa okugcina, I think that's the part ebengikhohlwe. Engihlanyisa okugcina labantu kuyo yonke lento le, kulizo zonke lezi zinto lezi abasithathe lapha endlini, by that time benganama-camera mina, benganama-camera that time, but i-next door neighbor yami le ngithi ubhekane nelona ne-stop sign unama-camera. Nabantu laba bafike bahamba ngani, bahamba ngepholo, kizo zonke lezi zinto lezi zenzakela, bahamba ngepholo, bayenzani, bafike bisho ukuthi bebeshaya isindiyandiya nje baloku babona ngivulile ngathi bebesaba ukungena ngazo kwenzakalayo but bagcine bawubadropa le ekoneni beza sabazabo i3 ngeenyawo ukuthi bajumpile yabona so uzibuza ukuthi zonke lezi zinto lezi abazithathile zifitha kanjani ekarini ipolo no ayikho enye ikari bebiva ngayo yabona ngapha kusamele bangene kusho ukuthi
including i-TV
baba ne-TV e65 inch
abantu abayi4 ngapha ne-TV nama it's crazy
do you know how big is the 65 inch issue bangene nayo kupolo bangena nezinto zonke aboma-Afrika fana abasikhawatha bro wami aboma-Afrika basikhawatha angifuna ukutshela mama so nje yiko nje ngithi i-government nawo nje mengangenelela nje and abantu bakwazi ukungena nazo zonke lezi zinto lezi kupolo inambe noqeda indlu nethina ngathi sithutha ngama-truck angaka bona bathutha ngepolo nje
hey Mr. Pacey no inzima but I'm glad ukuthi you niphume nonke right kungana the worst case scenario eyenzakele ingazi if bakuvulela ama-fridge because bukuyi-fitting room kwakho angithi bese bangena ba-check-a nempahla balinganisa but fortunately and it's such it's one thing nje ukudelelwa like in your space kuyabona umuntu avele a-control indawo yakho and manje so yabo bavele bazilawule but fortunately you came out and the family iphume right and there's a lesson that you've learned ukuthi maybe complacency, be extra safe. I think for the viewers it's important to exercise izinto ezikanje ukuthi hey ibani extra safe and akusafani naseqaleni you know I think as much as the community is there we are looking out for each other but it's important to be extra safe because the situation has changed in South Africa. And one of the important things why I do these podcasts or these episodes is to showcase life in Gauteng. Stories of people in Gauteng and the
on
things that they so that there is no complacency with such things and learning different stories from different people in Gauteng. But thank you Mr. Pacey for coming through. I hope my viewers they found a benefit of some sort of learning from your story sakho. More than anything ukuthi babe extra safe and extra vigilant and banga relax kakhulu when it comes to mabasendlini. Be extra safe and take the extra measures. You'll never know, it can happen to you as much as I don't think you thought ukuthi bengayenza kuwe lento le and it happened yabo. So mina ngiyayivala ngizothi please do like, share and subscribe for more stories from Gauteng or people from Gauteng. And I think if you have any last words maybe that you'd like to thank your wife for supporting you, thank you.
Yeah, true.
Last words, just any last words,
for sure. Angisho manje ukhumbula ukuthi izinto zenzakala that time. Indlule but it doesn't mean ukuthi indlule. Isilonda sisele. Yonke into impilo ya-change nje automatically. Ezingishilo ukuthi mina ngisebenzi ngiyasebenza ezinye izinto amadila amanye mfethu ngahlanganisa while we are sitting over alcohol but kuvela ukuthi manje umuntu osodila ngento kanjena yabona hlanganisa ibusiness nje khona lapho ebusukaneni nje khona la yabona into ezanjalo but manje kumele manje uzicabange ukuthi angikwazi ukushiya labantu laba babodwa cabanga that time yenzakala lento if bengingekho bokuzoyenzakalani yabona into ezinjalo so into ehlale yabona nasendlini noma uphuma ungakhohlwa phela yabona into ezinjalo so nje automatically change lifestyle mfethu and manje igcine affecta ilona isinkwa sakho uyayibona so but anyway uba nalento leyo akuqali ngami you understand izinto zenzakala but life goes on and they even went for counseling incosi yami le endala nemeli they went for counseling mina ke yazi ke mina fana ke angumlokishi mina mina i-counseling yami yabo mina ngikhuluma kanjalo le counseling ngendlela ngiyahila yabona and vele futhi asibabambe la maqhubu abafethu bebephanda ngendlela abaphanda ngayo but nje bashiya silimele and angeke kuhlale kunjalo but kuyandlula.